If you want to learn electronics but don't have advanced boards or expensive equipment, don't worry. Today I will show you electronics projects that anyone can build with basic components. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to QKZEE Tech. Many students want to start learning electronics but they don't know where to begin. That's why in today's video we will talk about simple and easy electronics projects that you can build using resistors, capacitors, LEDs, buzzers, transistors, relays and switches. The first project is the LED flasher circuit. This is a classic beginner's project in electronics. In this, a resistor and capacitor create timing and the transistor does the switching. The result is that the LED keeps flashing on and off. From this project you can learn the basic concept of timing, charging, discharging and transistor switching. The second project is a simple doorbell circuit. It may seem very basic but it is very important for beginners. You can use a push button, a buzzer and a battery in this. As soon as the button is pressed, the buzzer sounds. This project will help you understand basic current flow and switching. The third project is the light sensor circuit. This works based on the contrast. The LDR sensor detects the light level. When it's dark, the transistor turns on the LED. When it's light, the LED stays off. This is a great starting project for small automation. Project 4, relay switching circuit. The fourth project is the relay switching circuit. Understanding relays is very important because they are widely used in industrial automation and smart projects. In this, the transistor triggers the relay coil and the relay switches a load. This means that with a small signal, you can control a large device. This project gives beginners a practical understanding of control systems. The fifth project is the battery level indicator. This circuit shows the battery voltage in different levels. You can display low, medium and full battery levels using LEDs. This is a very useful project and also good practice for students. Project 6, basic alarm system. The last project is a basic alarm system. If there is any trigger, a switch press or a door opening, the buzzer will sound. This project is simple but gives a great demonstration. It can also be upgraded in the future with door sensors, vibration sensors or motion sensors. So if you are a beginner, start with the LED flasher, light sensor and alarm circuits. These projects will strengthen your electronics concepts and build confidence. If you need components, project guidance, ready-made kits or student project support, contact QKZEE Tech.